guys, thank you so much for coming back. Welcome back. Yes, today we're gonna be making taiyaki or bungeo-ppang, which is like fish-shaped bread with filling. Usually red bean. That's like the traditional one, but you can put whatever you want. And no, I don't know why it's shaped like a fish, but we roll with it. We like it, you know. But if anyone knows, leave it in the comments. Okay, love ya. Hey guys, so for lunch today, I have some leftover fried rice that I made yesterday. Put it in the fridge and then I just heated it up in the microwave. It looks kind of weird because I made it with the purple rice, but it's kimchi fried rice. If I used white rice, then it would be red, but it's kimchi fried rice. I promise. It's just purple rice. And then I have some mussel soup and water. Mussel soup. I love mussels. Mussels are so good. It has a clear broth. I'll show you. Like that. Done, guys. Thank you for the meal. 잘 먹었습니다. It's a fish-shaped bread, I guess, with filling inside, but bean or like custard. Depends on what you like. It's a dessert, really. It has nothing to do with fish. So first, 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And then 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour. So 1 2/3 cups in total. And then half a teaspoon of baking soda, baking powder. Half teaspoon baking powder. And then I have half teaspoon of baking soda. I'm gonna put 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Or you can just do like 1 pinch. 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm gonna whisk this up. I'm gonna put 2 eggs. And then 1.5 cups of milk, or any milk you like, doesn't matter. I'm gonna whisk it. And this is optional, but I love vanilla, so I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for some flavor. And there we have it. Okay, so I have my taiyaki mold. I'm gonna heat it up. It's like medium low heat, I guess. And then I have some red bean paste. It's canned. You can put whatever filling you want. I'm gonna rub some oil on here so it doesn't stick. and then more batter on the top. And then you close it. Okay, I'm so excited. Close it. And then flip it. Oh yeah. It's been about like 2 minutes, I think. Ta-da! Doesn't that look amazing? Oh my gosh. Okay, just wait a second. Would you look at that? Okay, I'm gonna do a taste test. This looks so good though. It's too hot. Hot. Ugh, skin tone now. This is my second one. It's so good. Okay, now I'm gonna do a cheese one. I have some Havarti cheese right here. I'm just gonna stick it in the middle. And I put some batter on top, and I'm gonna close it. Okay, this is the cheese one. I'm gonna try it now. Okay, but where's the cheese? Let me try it again. Girl. Hot. Cheese ball. It's like sweet and salty. Hot. Ooh, yeah. So good, so good.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. You definitely need to try out bungeo-ppang or taiyaki, especially right now because it's winter and really cold. It'll warm your body right up because it's like really hot, temperature hot. And I know it's not cold in Hawaii where I live, but it's cold in the mainland and in other countries. So try it, okay? You won't regret it. Plus, it's really fun to make, and it makes you feel like you're one of those food vendors out on the street making bungeo-ppang. I'm sure you see it on YouTube, but just try it, okay? And don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, turn on your notification bell, and give this video a huge thumbs up, okay? Be prepared to watch the next scene in about like 5 seconds because it's really silly. Don't judge, okay? Bye.
Fishy in the sea, won't you